Hello everyone and welcome to this demo of a new product I'm releasing called QuickLink Items. Now QuickLink Items solves the problem of what if you have missing footage, you don't know where it is, and you want to find it fast. With this plugin, which you can access from the File menu, which makes it super easy, no script, no extension to install and find in your interface, you can go to the File menu, QuickLink Items, and quickly find all of your files. This is an After Effects general plugin that fits right into the menu of After Effects itself, and this makes it super easy to use and super integrated to give you a sort of seamless new feature in After Effects. I wanted to make this tool because I noticed that all the time when I would load up an old project, I could never know where my stuff was. Was it on an external hard drive? Was it in a normal folder that I just didn't know where it was? So the goal of this tool is to really just be able to find footage extremely fast, including if you have no idea where it is, to search an entire drive or an entire letter drive to find your files. So when you run it, it's going to prompt you to select a folder. In my case, I have a composition here of a galaxy and a whole bunch of other missing images and videos within it. And the goal is to replace all of these. You'll see they're in all kinds of different languages here. We have Chinese, Arabic, Tibetan, Korean, Russian, Georgian. I chose as many varied scripts as I could, and this is basically supports any language and any script. So in my case, I know the location from testing this of where they are. So just to show you how it works, they're somewhere in here in my music folder. So I'll click on OK. And now we've found all of these galaxies, which have now filled in our video here. And once it's complete, it's going to give you a results log, which pops up here. And you may recognize this from my scrollable UI tutorial where I teased this. It's going to display all of the information about each of the missing files that were originally there, whether it was found or not found, and if it was found, what location was it found in. This is going to help you to quickly understand what just happened if you have a ton of different files, or if some weren't found, the locations that were found may provide a reminder or something like that to help you find them. One of the key points about this plugin, as I mentioned, is that it's super fast. The basic way it works is it's an After Effects general plugin, so that's why it appears in the File menu here, and that After Effects menu plugin uses both C++ and scripting to achieve this super fast. It's using a boost library to basically boost and quickly find things much faster than a script would be able to find and recursively go through folders. So that's why it gives you the ability, if you want, to select an entire drive. And sort of the advertising I give for if you're going to search for the entire drive, go grab a coffee. It really depends on how big your hard drive is and how many files and folders are within it. If you have a 2 terabyte hard drive and it's only a quarter full, you might be looking at just a few minutes. If you have a 2 terabyte hard drive or a 10 terabyte hard drive and it's completely full and has a ton of small files, maybe you have Python environments set up, that can take a lot longer. So with a full drive, you may want to go grab a coffee. If it's a more specific location you know, maybe you just go ahead and wait for a few seconds and it will be complete. And of course, this works in pretty much all versions of After Effects from CC and up. I can't really test before that, but it works in any After Effects version that allows it. Basically, any modern version from like 2015, maybe 2012 and up. And then it works on Mac and Windows, including M1 Macs. So you can check out the link in the description where you can check out the product on AE Scripts, purchase it, and support me, as well as be able to find all of your items super fast. I'll be making a lot more tools like this because I think there's a missing niche in the After Effects market for AEGP plugins that extend the usability of the existing After Effects menus. And I feel like a lot more seamless than scripts and extensions where you have to download them, place them in a certain location, navigate to a window, open another window, learn the functionality. This is just a one-click, fix it, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.